What's up everybody, Chris here from Bolt Canyon Outdoors, and today we're going to be installing some LED headlights from American Modified Off-Road. Now these headlights also have a daytime running light option and a turn signal option. So let me show you what we're working with and how we're going to get this set up. Alright, here we've got Connor's 2007 JK, and we've already got the grill off and the headlights out. And I figured there's enough YouTube videos showing you how to take a grill off that we didn't need to go through that whole process. But today, we're going to be replacing the headlights and these old worn out fog lights with brand new LEDs with the daytime running light and the turn signal option. So let's take a look and see what's inside the box. Alright, so here's the complete set from American Modified. We've got the fog lights here and the headlights. Alright, there's a few things going on with the wiring with the American Modified light. It's very simple, but I'm going to walk you through each step. As you can see, on the harness of this, you have your standard headlight harness here, which plugs in to the anti-flicker box and plugs into the factory harness. You also have these two extra wires, a red one and a green one. The red one is for the daytime running lights, and the green one is for the turn signal. Now what you're going to want to do is use the wires that were included in the kit, and we're going to run it from these two to the turn signal wiring. Now the factory turn signal wiring has two white wires. You've got the middle one and essentially the far one. So you've got 1, 2, 3 wires. The first wire is going to attach to the green turn signal plug on the headlight. The middle wire is going to attach to the red daytime running light plug right here on the harness. So we're going to put a couple of wire taps on here, plug it in directly, and we'll get the light installed. Once the headlight is reinstalled and the wiring is all complete, we'll do the same thing for the passenger side. All right, now as you can see, with the daytime running lights on, you've got the white circle, and when you hit the turn signal, it flashes in orange. All right, so here they are, the American Modified Off-Road LED headlights with the daytime running lights and the turn signals built in. So right now you can see the white halo is on, that's your daytime running light, and then if you turn on the turn signal, you got the orange flash to match the turn signal down there. Got it on both sides. Got your hazard lights. So now you have a little bit safer headlights out there with the daytime running lights and the flasher capability. So I'm going to put some links down below on where you can get a hold of these lights from American Modified Off-Road. But in the meantime, do me a favor. Hit that like, hit that subscribe, and ring that bell. That way you'll be notified every time we do a cool install, product review, a fun run, or anything like that from Bolt Canyon Outdoors. So for Bolt Canyon Outdoors, this is Chris signing off. Happy trails, everybody.